All right, copper and gold prices both moving higher today. Copper indeed hitting a 3-month high. That could be some good news for Thompson Creek Metals. It operates copper and gold mines in Canada as well as in the United States. We have Kevin Loughrey. He is the chief executive of Thompson Creek, and he joins us now for a CEO sit-down from Denver, Colorado. Kevin, good to have you with us on Bloomberg. Before we talk about copper and gold, tell me about molybdenum. It's a metal that many people literally touch on a regular basis, but they might not know it. Tell us about molybdenum. What does it do and why is it important?
Well, good evening, and thank you for having me on your program. Molybdenum is important. It's a metallic element. It's used in the alloying of steel, and it is used in a wide variety of industrial applications throughout the world. It makes steel harder and stronger, and therefore it is used in products as varied as oil field tubular goods. It's in your automobile. It's in architectural buildings. It's used in a variety of uses that makes the world a better place. And so we think the future of molybdenum is very bright.
All right, now, well, I'm going to let you get that back in, and we're going to talk about their Thompson Creek mine. This is the mine that enables them to dig about 30,000 tons of ore out of the ground, this on a daily basis. And then the molybdenum oxide is shipped from the Thompson Creek mine all the way to Pennsylvania. Tell us about the Thompson Creek mine and what you're doing there, Kevin.
The Thompson Creek Mine is a mine which has been in operation since 1983. As you said, it takes about 30,000 tons of ore a day, but that results, it's a very high-grade mine by today's standard, but that still means that in that ore, there's only about 2 pounds of molybdenum for every ton we take out. And then we ship the product, which is actually molybdenum sulfide, to our facility in Pennsylvania where we roast it and turn it into molybdenum oxide, which is the product in commerce.
Now, this mine is based in the United States. It's in Idaho. Can you give us some idea of what the plans are for the future of Thompson Creek?
Yes, Thompson Creek has had really an exceptional year or two where it's produced at historic high levels. In next year, it will go back to its average production of about 16 million pounds of molybdenum per year, which is a very nice-sized mine, and we produce it there quite efficiently. And then we'll be able to maintain that level of production at Thompson Creek for the next 15 years or so. So we have a very good operation there that's been in place since 1983, as I said. So we have a long history of being able to operate at very reasonable costs through both high and low periods in the economic cycle.
Now, you have another mine operation, several of them, in fact, but one that is gaining a lot of attention. This is the Indoco mining business, and this is in British Columbia. What are the plans there? 55,000 tons of ore daily?
That's what we will do starting next year. We're right now at about 30,000 tons there as well. But we will complete this year a $550 million expansion of that facility to increase the production there also to about 16 million pounds per year. We own 75% of Indoco, so we retain about 11 to 12 million of those pounds. The other 25% of Indoco is owned by our good partner, the Sojitz Corporation from Japan, and they take 1/4 of the production. We also have a roaster at Indoco so that we roast our own material right there. So we're completely vertically integrated, producing all the molybdenum, both in oxide form and in other products that we need. And we ship that material out of Vancouver primarily to Asia. So we have 2 facilities, and Indoco has been in operation even longer than Thompson Creek. They've both been around a long time, both very dependable. What's happening to the price of molybdenum, Kevin? The price of molybdenum has been steady here for the last several months at about $17 a pound. That's down from the highs in the pre-financial crisis area of over $35 a pound. And molybdenum does not have a forward pricing mechanism, unlike copper and gold. So we believe there's real opportunity as demand picks up for the moly price to go up over time.
What about the price of copper and gold, and how does that relate to your business?
Well, copper and gold is an area which we have recently diversified into with the acquisition of Terrain Metals and their property in British Columbia also called Mount Milligan. We have begun the construction process there. We have almost 400 people on site right now building Mount Milligan. And when it's done in the second half of 2000...
We've got to leave it there. Kevin Loughrey, Thompson Creek Metals.